Yo, what it do, my people? So it's your boy Chance Jollivet, aka Smooth, back with another video. So you know what time it is.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Alright, so sneakers, new pair on the channel. Just did a sneaker review, so you probably seen it already on the channel. But this is the second pair. Let's get to it. Alright, so this coming FedEx packaging and stuff like that, man. So wait a little minute for these to come in, etc., blase, blase, man. Let's open the package. Let's see what it entails. Alright, so check it out. Jordan 1s and stuff, man. I don't know why I'm trying to like be a little bit mysterious. You know what it is from the from the title of the video, etc., etc. But you see, this right here is a size 10.5, so women's. So that means that this is a 9 men's. Why would you get a woman's shoe or something? If you don't know about the sneaker game, man, you know that sometimes they give the women some very dope colorways and stuff, and the only way you can get them is if you buy that certain one or whatever. So hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. You like my Year 3s? That's a woman's shoe. But anyways, so women's Air Jordan 1 Low OG, black, dark powder, blue, gem red. These came, was this a mid? I remember they had like the Fear packs or whatever. They had all the different collaborations and stuff. And so these had dropped a while back in I think a mid form. I don't think they were highs, but they did drop, and I wanted those bad, and I was not able to attain those, but got the lows though. So these come by way of Shoeki. I think that's pronouncing it right. Shoeki. But anyways, so it comes with the extra pair of laces. So got some red laces right there, but it comes with the black laces already inserted. So I think the black laces is appropriate, man. I don't think I'm gonna go with the red laces and stuff. But you see them, man. They got the little hang tag, got the little Nike Air. So that's a good little touch, man. You don't usually see hang tags on Jordan 1s and stuff, but check it out. Do your quick 360. So if anything is spectacular on here or not, like the materials, whatever, the colors. Like some people say these might look like kind of clown shoe-ish or whatever, but it's UNC to Chicago. So Jordan started at UNC, got to Chicago, got to the Bulls, wreck stuff, got a championship here, got a few championships there and stuff. So that's what the inspiration of the shoe is. So looking at the materials of the shoe and stuff, it feels pretty good, man. It feels pretty soft and stuff, man. It feels like thick. It got a little niceness to it. Got a nice little bounce back to it and stuff. But it's nothing special. It's nothing special as far as material wise and whatnot. The black has like a little bit of tumble to it. So you see that. The front portion is a very flat leather up in here. The toe box as well. Is very flat leather. It is nothing too crazy. Like whenever you get around this area right here, this and that right there got a little bit of tumble to it and stuff, man. So it's like a little better grade, but it's probably synthetic most part. You know how Jordan brand them do, man. Like not knocking them or whatever, but they like to save a little bit of money, get their synthetic on. So you got this Carolina blue check right there. So that's where that starts off at. And what I like about the shoe, I like that it has the Wings logo at the top. If a low shoe has the Wings logo at the bottom, I don't even want it. It's weird. It's kind of like how people be with the highs and the mids, the slight differences that people don't like. That's how I am with the lows. If it don't have the Wings logo up here and it got it down here, I really don't care for it. I think I had a pair back in the days. I think I had all yellow pair and I didn't keep them long. They were dope, but just didn't need them because I got the Thunder 4s like shortly after or whatever. But anyways. So got that Wings logo right there and stuff, man. Nylon tongue on them things. Got a little bit of red. Got the Nike Air right there on the tongue. White midsole wrapped around. It's not sale or anything. You know they be selling the brother out and stuff like that. But red bottom. And no, I'm not talking about Christian Louis Vuitton or whatever. But got the red bottom, regular Jordan 1 stuff right there. So that's pretty much the shoe right there and stuff. Women's got the paper insert right there. Got a blue Nike Air right here, and it differentiates with this shoe. This shoe right here is a red Nike Air. Alright. So that's pretty much the shoe, man. Shoeki. Thank y'all for sending these through. Like yeah, about to get the on foot, so I gotta change my socks, man. Put on like something that's a little bit more appropriate, something that looks a little more decent with the shoe. Happy to have these, and I usually would get 11 in women's to get my size 9.5, but with the Jordan 1 low, I like them to look a little smaller, like be a little tighter on foot, because like a low would look long and throw the foot off, throw the shoe off. I'd rather it look a little smaller on the foot and have a little bit more, just feel a little better on the foot, especially like I got real skinny ankles, so it'll look a little better. So that's why I got a 10.5, so basically a 9. That is my reasoning. Most people, a lot of people do go down a little half size with the lows, but your preferences or whatever. Just know that a woman's shoe is a size and a half bigger than a men's shoe. Well, you gotta go up. That's the translation or whatever. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated, man. Thank you for sending the shoe. Thank y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for continuing to support the channel and whatnot. Send y'all stars and stuff, man. My channel ain't making no money, but I'm just bullshit. But anyways, man, yeah. Road to 100K, baby. It ain't soon, but one day.